Hey world, it's Michael Gascon, the horse guru, coming to you live right here in South Mississippi, middle of summer, riding PJ, and we're coming to you about negative behavior on the trail. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, and I hate to tell you that I don't have some hocus pocus to fix this. But unfortunately, so many of these problems that we have, whenever it comes down to a horse biting another horse on the trail, a horse throwing a kick, a horse being barn sour, being buddy sour, being too studdy, being too marish, being in heat, all these problems that a lot of times we want a fix for that problem, unfortunately, that is trying to fix a stem of the problem, a symptom of the problem, but not the root of the problem.